This is the updated severe weather forecast for February the 25th, 2017 from the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York. Since our last briefing, we've now added a flash flood watch to a portion of central New York and northeastern Pennsylvania. A strong cold front will push across western New York today, causing showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms will produce heavy downpours, damaging winds, and small hail. Winds in excess of 50 miles per hour are possible today, as well as isolated power outages. Hail around 1 inch in diameter is expected, and heavy downpours are also likely with some thunderstorms. For today's severe weather outlook, a slight risk for severe thunderstorms is in effect for much of the forecast area, with the western sliver of our forecast area under a marginal risk for severe weather. A flash flood watch is now in effect for Cortland, Chenango, Otsego, Tioga, Broome, Delaware, Susquehanna, Bradford, northern Wayne, and Sullivan counties. The most likely time for severe weather is over the central southern tier and Finger Lakes region from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., along the Interstate 81 corridor from 1 to 3 p.m., just east of the Interstate 81 corridor from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., and across the far eastern forecast area between 4 and 7 p.m. A marginal risk for severe thunderstorms means that isolated severe thunderstorms are possible, although storms are expected to be limited in duration and intensity. A slight risk for severe thunderstorms means that scattered severe thunderstorms are possible, and though they will be short-lived and or not widespread, isolated intense storms are possible. To stay up to date with this developing severe weather situation, we recommend that you visit us at our internet website at weather.gov/bgm. We also encourage you to connect with us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube.